I have talked to hundreds of local business owners, and the pattern is always the same. Great service, happy customers, and barely any Google reviews. Not because the customers are unhappy, because nobody asked. Today, I am going to give you the exact system for getting a consistent stream of Google reviews, step by step, word for word. The number one reason local businesses have fewer reviews than they deserve is not that customers are unhappy. It is that nobody asked. Here is the psychology. Customers who have a great experience do not automatically think, I should leave a Google review. They think about the unclogged drain, the fixed tooth, the great meal, and they move on. The only way to get consistent reviews is to have a consistent system for asking. The second reason businesses fail here, they ask at the wrong time. A follow-up email a week later is exponentially less effective than asking within 24 hours. The emotional peak of a positive experience fades fast. The three-part review system. The system has three parts. All three need to work together. Part 1. The in-person ask. Right after confirming the customer is happy. Hey, glad we could get that sorted for you. Would you mind leaving us a quick Google review? It really helps us out. Then hand them your phone or a QR code. Immediate, high conversion. Part 2. The follow-up message. For customers who do not review on the spot, a text or email within 24 hours. Short, personal, one link. Hi, great working with you today. If you have a minute, a Google review would mean a lot to us. One follow-up, 24 hours, that is it. Part 3. A direct review link. Most businesses are missing this. Do not tell customers to find you on Google. Give them a link that opens the Google review form directly. One tap and they are on the form. Find your review link in Google Business Profile settings. Timing is everything. Same day as service, highest conversion rate. The experience is fresh, the emotion is positive. 24 hours later, strong follow-up window for anyone who did not respond same day. After 48 hours, conversion drops significantly. After a week, much harder. After a month, most people do not even remember the job clearly. If you are in a service business, the window is essentially same day or next day. That is it. What to say? Word for word. For the in-person ask, hey, glad everything worked out. Would you mind leaving us a quick Google review? Here is the link. For the text follow-up, it was great working with you today. If you have a spare minute, a Google review would really help us out. Thanks. What not to do? Do not ask for a 5-star review. Google's guidelines prohibit soliciting a specific rating. Just ask for an honest review, and do not send multiple follow-ups. 1 is professional, 2 starts to feel like pressure. Handling negative reviews. Negative reviews are inevitable. What matters is how you respond. Respond to every review, positive and negative. Google's algorithm measures your response rate. Businesses that respond consistently rank better. For positive reviews, be specific and grateful. Thank you so much. We are really glad the installation went smoothly. It was great working with you. For negative reviews, acknowledge, apologize briefly, redirect offline. We are sorry this was not the experience we hoped to provide. We would love the chance to make it right. Please reach out and we will take care of it. Never argue, never get defensive, never post private details. Your response is read by every future customer who looks at your listing. One more thing. A business with 80 reviews and a 4.4 average often outranks a competitor with 10 reviews and a perfect 5.0. Volume plus recency plus responses matters more than a perfect score. The compound effect. Every review you get this week makes next week easier. Consistent systems beat sporadic bursts every time. If you want review requests automated after every job, Ninja sends them for you. Link in the description. Subscribe. Tomorrow we go deep on Google Business Profile categories.